Hello, welcome again. My name is Sadik. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add the Dagbani label and description to the Wikidata item. So first of all, you need to log in with your username and password. When you log in, then you look for the article or item you want to work on. Okay. So I'm going to work on Shahadusadik. Okay, so this is Shahadusadik. As a Wikidata item. So to be able to add labels and descriptions on Wikidata, you first of all need to follow the video I shared on how to add the Dagbani language to your Wikidata user page. If you are able to watch that video, then you understand why Dagbani is showing here. So I basically added that to my user page in order to be able to add labels and descriptions in Dagbani. So to be able to do that, you just click on edit and then you see the bunny here. So what is the label? The bunny is the same name, Sharifatuno. In the description, I can see the bone. So I wrote the bone banga. I don't really know whether my diagram is perfect, but this is how I think we can call her in the diagram. And then once you do that, you see also known as if she has an alias, you just put the name here. So the alias is Sharifa. This is Sharifa. Sharifa. And then I can put that here in the van as well as the alias. So if you watch my previous video, as I indicated, how you can add the band label to your user page. So if you haven't, as I said, please go back and watch the video before you um, watch this video. So basically, I've added a label of Sherifa Kikuno in the banner and a description in the banner and an alias in the banner as well. So this is important because Wikidata will be able to call Sherifa Kikuno in the banner and describe Sherifa Kikuno in the banner. So once you are done with this, you have added the Dagbani label, you have added your English Dagbani description here, then you have to click on publish. Yeah, so this is how we add labels and descriptions in Dagbani Wikipedia. I hope this video has been helpful. And if you have any question, if you need any clarification, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much for your time. See you again next time. Bye.